Portugal Job Seeker Visa. In this video, I'm going to cover 1. What is Portugal Job Seeker Visa? 2. General documents. 3. Where to apply. So, watch till that video ends. The Job Seeker Visa entitles its holder to enter and remain only in Portugal for the purpose of looking for job. Authorizes him/her to carry out a subordinated work activity until the visa expires or until the residence permit is granted. This visa is granted for a period of 120 days, renewable for another 60 days, and allows only one entry into Portugal. The issuance of this visa supposes the attribution of a date of scheduling in the competent services within the period of validity of 120 days of the visa, and it allows the applicant, after the formalization of the employment contract throughout that period, the right to apply for a residence permit. To do so, you must fulfill the general conditions for granting a temporary residence permit, under the terms of Article 77 of the law. Once the maximum validity limit of the visa for looking for work has expired, without an employment relationship having been established nor the process of requesting the granting of a residence permit having begun, the visa holder must leave the country. In these situations, you can only reapply for a new visa application for this purpose, 1 year after the expiry of the previous visa's validity. The request for a visa extension by a job seeker visa holder must be accompanied by proof of registration with the IEFP/IP, and a declaration by the applicant indicating that the conditions of the planned stay are maintained, which will be assessed considering the reasons that justified its issuance. General documentation. National visa application filled and duly signed by applicant. Passport or other travel document, valid for 3 months after the estimated date of return. Photocopy of passport, biographical data. 2 photos, even, passport type, recent and in good condition to identify the applicant. 1 for this form. Proof of regular situation in case of residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. Request for criminal record enquiry by the Immigration and Border Services, SEF. Not applicable to minors under the age of 16. Criminal record certificate. Issued by the competent authority of the country of the applicant's nationality or of the country where the applicant has resided for over a year, except for applicants under 16, with the Hague apostille, if applicable, or legalized. Valid travel insurance, covering necessary medical expenses, including urgent medical assistance and possible repatriation. Copy of return transport title. Proof of financial resources equivalent to at least the sum of 3 guaranteed monthly minimum salary. Proof of the financial resources may be waived upon presentation of a term of responsibility with recognized signature made by a Portuguese citizen or a foreign citizen, with a legal residence authorization in Portugal, which guarantees food and accommodation for the visa applicant, as well as the repatriation costs, in case of a regular stay. The signatory of the responsibility term must also prove to have financial capacity in the amount of, at least, 3 times the value of the guaranteed minimum monthly salary. Specific documents. Declaration with indication of the conditions for the estimated stay. Proof of presentation of a declaration of expression of interest for enrollment in the IEFP, NPT/FRS. Thanks for watching. I'll upload step-by-step video soon.